Echo Magizoria Zeratoy Forest comes next. Blue Eagle is running by the rail. Madam Butterfly comes next. And Santorini. Back to the girl, we have security chip. Echo Mac is on the outside, down on the inside now is Blue Eagle. A toy Forest comes next, Santorini. While Madam Butterfly now racing in less half-mile distance they traveled. We have Echo Mac by about 2 lengths. Security chip in second. Blue Eagle is down in third. Santorini comes next, down on the inside now is a toy for us. While Madam Butterfly is still racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Echo Mac moving about the outside. Security chip in between horses. Now is Blue Eagle as they swing for home. We have Echo Mac is still in control by about 2 lengths. Blue Eagle moving about the outside is security chip. Last 100 meters we have Echo Mac. Security chip is on the outside. Echo Mac, security chip is on the outside, but it's still Echo Mac over security chip. And finally Echo Mac, security chip, Blue Eagle, Atoy for us, Santorini, and Madam Butterfly.
6413 ating order of arrival para sa race number 4. Only the second choice, number 6, Echo Mac, crossing the wire first. Let's see the replay.